My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like, yeah.
What's up, guys? Pat's Garage here. We got the Honda all geared up and ready for the New Year's meet tonight, hosted by Ty Maggard. He's a local legend, as you could say, the Banana Man. Yellow Mustang, black hood. He's known by a lot of different titles, handles, names, nicknames, but he's hosting the meet tonight. Hopefully he's going to host a lot more to come. It's supposed to be pretty big. I got the Honda here ready, so let's head out. What's up, guys? Pat's Garage here. I forgot to mention earlier that I'm actually headed out to Caden's house right now. We're gonna meet up there and cruise out, so hopefully this all goes smooth. Oh, someone pulled out right in front of me. You see that, guys? You see that, guys? Someone pulled out right in front of me. Mid-filming, North Carolina, crazy place. I swear this is a crazy place. Fayetteville, you don't want to go driving out here as a new driver. But anyways, I'm headed to Caden's house. Hopefully I don't get into a wreck based off the driving that we see right now. I'll see you guys when I'm there. Not even a few seconds after ending the last clip, and the person is turning right anyway. They cut me off just to slam on brakes, turn right, and I can't go around them because of the stupid massive truck right there. Fayetteville, North Carolina. What's up, guys? Pat's Garage here. We're at the New Year's meet, the one that Ty Maggard is hosting. I'm here with Caden. I'm parked over here. We're at the edge of the parking lot. We got people pulling up. It's actually about 30 minutes early. So this is the turnout already. 30 minutes early. I feel like this whole thing is going to be packed. There are going to be cops here to keep the peace. Nothing too crazy. I got my new fog lights on.
Heck yeah.
Nice little engine setup here. I already made a video on that and posted it today, actually. You should definitely check it out if you haven't already. I'm gonna put a little card at the end for you to go see it, but we're about to walk around and, well, let's see.
K20. Don't back up too far.
Oh Jesus, I'm about to get hit. Yo, is that Rogue Coyote? What the bro? You got Rogue Coyote out here? What the bro? Baddest coyote in all of North Carolina, 100%. Rogue 3.7. I'm gonna drop his Instagram down there. Go check him out, guys. One of the friendliest guys in this area, I promise you. People have the pre-misconception that Mustang drivers are assholes, but I promise you, they are not. Really cool people.
Bottle. Reppin' 2 and 3 California Lotto. Serving all the fiends like King Taco, my cheese, nachos, flossing till you unfollow. Windows down a latch, just the ass crack, nothing but the Alpine system on smash.
Hit the stash in the gas pedal, puff, puff, pass.
Flying faster than a 5-0.
Just bring it to the curb.
pop the hatchback, booty slapping like my subwoofer. Slip sliding through your house where the dog pound. Fat beats for that kitty from the underground. Hit up City Simpson if you need a fat fix. Looting liquor stores, time to flick a matchstick.
Hang it to the curb, to the curb, curb. Hang it to the curb, to the curb, curb. Hang it to the curb, to the curb, curb.
Bring it to the curb.
Look at what's tied around the mirror. Get it? It's a boat.
Yes, sir. Champion racer rolling through. What's up, man? Walk in front of you. All right.
You got the boy Omar parked right here. Look at this. He added some things to it. Looks clean. Look at this. What's up, guys? Pat's Garage. Ty is about to have the meeting over there. We're about to head over there. It's so packed here. People are parking on the side. It is insane out here. So many cars. Well, let's see what this meeting is about. I'll probably record it. I'll see you guys there. guys, we actually had to move. There are so many people here that we're completely relocating the meet right now. There's so much traffic out here. It's gonna be absolute chaos trying to get out of here. So let's see how it turns out. I'll see you at the other side. It's just like Supercar Suspects though. Absolutely chaotic. We made it to the next spot somehow. Caden beat us here, of course. The traffic over there was insane. I got the car set up again. Cops everywhere. It was so crowded there that we had to move lots due to safety reasons. I think the police actually talked to Ty and asked them to move. So the switch over here is insane. Not even half the people are here yet. The line to turn left alone was backed up out of the parking lot. It's freezy. It's freezing, it's chilly. Oh boy, this is a really interesting night. Let's see how it turns out. All right, kicked out of spot number 2. We are just gonna eat some Buffalo Wild Wings, chill out there. Look at this. We're already kicked out of the next spot, dude. The Fayetteville police, man, look at this. See, it's always the cops that ruin the fun, and what I don't understand is that Ty actually had a permit to use the parking lot that we were in. So what's the big deal with him actually using the parking lot he got a permit for? And they kicked us out. We gave out the next address, and somehow they got the address, or they just followed the first pack of people who left, and they're already over here. And they shut down this parking lot. He actually posted that he got pulled over by one of the cops, and that he said there are no more spots, they're just gonna keep following us. Everyone just go home. So this isn't like California where you can just keep running from spot to spot to spot. We're not doing illegal drag races out here or anything. It's just a simple meet. We were just gonna have a fun time. Packed crowd, biggest car meet of last year almost, and this is a new year. So it was insanely packed. And it's just disappointing. I don't understand what we were doing wrong. No one was revving. There were a few people revving, but they had to move because they were manuals. You know how it goes. No one did burnouts. No one was two-stepping. No one was doing anything until just now when they said we can't stay at the second spot and everyone needs to go home. Then people got pissed. They were doing burnouts. They were two-stepping. They were revving up because at that point, you're angry, I'm angry, we're all angry. Everyone's just going home. I don't understand what's going on here. So that's just a quick update. My video is probably gonna get cut shorter now. I didn't even have time to actually walk around and show you guys the cars that were there, so I'm pretty furious about that. But, well, I guess I'm gonna have to end the video here. I'll probably do an update when I get home, or I'll record some of this stuff inside Buffalo Wild Wings because that ought to be fun. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Still do crossplay. They gave us the option. Remember when we had to click no on PC players? Yeah, they do crossplay now.
Yeah.